Hi guys, I just wanted to tell you that I love NRSNG. I signed up. I'm not even a nursing student yet. I start January of 2019, but I've been able to go through and browse around and look and see what it has to offer, and also go ahead and read some of the information. So I feel like I can get a head start on some of the stuff that we'll be learning. Also, the thing that I really love is the Facebook page, because you have students asking questions and you have other students encouraging, you have NRSNG encouraging and answering those questions. And I love to see the encouragement because I know that soon, very soon, I will be in the thick of things and I will go back and I will remember a lot of those encouraging words, and also just the community of people who are going through the same thing. So NRSNG, keep it up. Thank you. I can't wait to start.